Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. It seems like it's been ages, but life has been keeping me busy. Graduation parties, babysitting. So now I think I'm caught up with everything. I have some journal covers that I just listed I want to show you, and then I'll show you what you need to start or get ready for our beach journal that we're going to do together. So these are some 9x6 just plain journal covers that I completed last night. And I have this one. They're all vintage wedding dress, lace, and then new lace. So let's see if we can see these out. And these are printed, so if there's a glare, I did Mod Podge them on a canvas paper. So in person they look really cool. So I have that one. These are all listed singly. This one, her dress is gorgeous. And this one is the only one that doesn't have parchment paper in. It's just the paper for the only reason that I forgot to sew it in before I did the front. So I will put 2 big glassine bags on each side instead. So that's that one. This one is adorable, but she's already sold, I believe. I don't think she's listed. But I'll make some more. If anybody, if you want one like this, just send me a message in my Etsy. I think I have like 2 more pictures of these printed up. She just looks so mischievous that she's in. I just put the key in that, and that one has the parchment paper inside. And these are 9x6s, and I will make them, I think 4x6, a set of small ones. Because this actually just clears my mind to sit and do some covers. And then this one. So these 4 are listed. And I'm just going to briefly go through the journal we're going to do. And then I will come back tonight after work and we'll get going. So what you need to do is get your kit ready. Is cut your pages out. And this is artymaze, A Day at the Beach. Or you can use any kit. Doesn't matter. But I know some of you already printed her kit off and was eagerly waiting. So just cut your pages off and you can ink them. I'm going to probably be using some vintage photo. This I just bought, cracked pistachio, but it's a distress oxide. So I think I'm going to play around with that because there's some really pretty greens and blues in this kit. So this way you can actually, if you don't have, I just bought this at Tuesday morning. And then I'll probably use Salty Ocean, whatever blues you have. We can make it work. And then your vintage photo. And then what I also did is I got this right at Walmart, your Mod Podge satin finish. And I took some of my ephemera pieces, like the envelope, and then 2 pages of the ephemera, and I Mod Podged it. Why? I don't know yet, but I like that look. And we'll just make ephemera out of it in different pockets. So I already took 2 pages out of that, and I Mod Podged that. So you can Mod Podge what you would like. And then I Mod Podged some tickets that I know I'm gonna use. I just love this kit. And then I wasn't sure. I sent Andrea a message. I said, I announced I was going to do a tutorial on your one of your kits. I wasn't sure if I needed permission, but we have her blessing. Just I don't want to do anything wrong, so. And that's it. And then this is just some other, I printed some more postcards. This kit is just absolutely gorgeous. And you can cut these out just to be ready. So when I come back tonight, the first thing we're going to do, so if you want to have things ready, is I like to start making maybe like 5 pieces of ephemera. And because this book is just the pages, it's not laid out yet. And then And then we'll start laying out the books. But tonight we're just going to make ephemera. So if you want to get some trim together, some burlap, whatever you think is beachy or whatever you like. So that's what we will start tonight. So just cut and ink, I guess. So I think that is it for now. Yeah, I think that's it. So I will be back later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.